Today I'm going to show you something very interesting. You may have it already, but if you don't, and excuse me, and you have kids at home, I find it very useful. It's a toothpaste dispenser. The reason I'm drilling holes in to be able to screw it on the wall because it comes with stickers that's supposed to stick to the wall, but that doesn't work. The whole thing comes off, so I've decided to make holes and mount it permanently on the wall. So I got these anchors, plastic anchors. You make a hole with the drill, then I just stuck the anchors inside. Then I'm just gonna screw like so, right on the wall. So I made two holes that weren't there before. So I'm gonna make sure I'm sitting on one of the anchors, screw right in. Then I'm gonna go with another screw just in case it doesn't move out of place. Before you do that, you want to use a leveler. You want to make sure the thing is leveled. The thing with the level is you want to watch out for the bubble, and you want the bubble to be between those two lines, so you know for a fact that you are sitting in the middle. And once you accomplish that, you just go right in with the second screw. If you don't have a drill, I suggest go get one. It's a great investment. You get your money back on it every time you do a job. This dispenser also comes with the toothbrush holder, and that also has a sticker behind it, which doesn't hold at all. So I'm going to make a hole on it, two different holes. First, I'm going to make sure it's also leveled. I do not want to see it crooked. So I'm going to make one hole there, another one on the other side, so that I could have it permanently installed into the wall. I was looking around the house, I found two anchors, so I'm just going to install them. If you need anchors, Home Depot got a bunch of these different sizes. They come with the screw as well. Sometimes you see a drill bit in there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and install the anchors and screw on the brush holder right onto the wall. If you're thinking about getting one, I suggest you get one. It makes the brush holder look so nice, and it defeats the purpose of having a cup or something that holds the brush. And if you look in, there's usually water. Then you got fungi growing, and with this you don't have to worry about any of that. When you're done with the brush, you hang it, the brush air dries, and you're all set. The job's done. That's how it looks. Imagine kids in the morning, they need the brush, it's right there. They know where to put the brush back in. Let's test the dispenser. You push the brush in and you get toothpaste. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click on the bell so that when we make new videos, we could send it right out to you. Thank you for watching.